Hello class 8. In chapter 6 we are discussing the programming question. The next question is question number 15 of exercise 6. Write a program to assign time in hours. We have to assign the time in hours and print its equivalent in minutes and seconds. Our question is to assign time in hours and print its equivalent in minutes and seconds. That means you assign the time in hours and convert the hours into minutes and into the second. Alright, see the program. Public class time. Open the class. Public static void main string args. These two lines are as usual. Class name is time. Int h equal to 15. We have taken for 15 hours. We can change the number of hours. Int m for minutes equal to h into 60. To convert hour into minute, multiply the hour by 60. So we got the minutes. Int s equal to minute into 60. This already the hour is converted into minute. So if that minute is multiplied by 60, we will get the seconds. Now system out println minutes equal to m and system out println second equal to s. So very simple program, assigning time in hours and printing equivalents in minutes and second. Now let us see this program in Java. Open BlueJ. Program is time. Open. Same program, public class time, int h equal to 15, m equal to h into 60, int s equal to m into 60. First converting hour into minute and that minute into second and printing. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. Now see how many minutes short? 900 minutes. How many seconds? 54,000 seconds. Now change the number of minutes, number of hours. Suppose make it 25 hours. Now number of hours are 25. Compile. Close. As usual, right click. OK. And now see minutes are 1500 and seconds are 90,000. Okay. So this was programming question number 15. Now let us see what is question number 16. Question number 16 is write a program to assign distance in centimeter. We have to assign the distance in centimeter and print its equivalent in meters and kilometers. That means we have to take the distance in centimeters and convert that distance in centimeters into meters and then into the kilometers. Alright. So just like the last question only, it is very simple. Class name public class convert, because we are going to convert and display. Public static void main. Int cm, cm for centimeter equal to, we have taken 52,34,789 centimeter. Double m, why double? It may come in the point. Divide the centimeter by 100. So that will be number of meters. Divide the total centimeter by 100. So that will be number of meters. And to get the kilometer, you divide all the meters, total number of meters by 1000, because 1 meter equal to 1000 kilometer. So divide the meter by 1000. Okay. Now system out println meters equal to m and system out println kilometers equal to km. And program is over. Alright. Very simple. Assign the centimeter, divide by 100, so became meter. Again divide meter by 1000, became kilometer and print. Now let us do in the Java. Convert. Public class convert, same int centimeter, double m equal to cm by 100, double km m by 1000, print the meters, print the kilometer. Compile. No syntax error. Close. Right click. OK. And see the output has come. See program. This is the output of this program. Centimeter was taken, divided by 100, so became how many meters? 52,347 meters. Okay. Now divide meter by 1000 became 52.347 kilometer. Alright, so this was programming. This was the last question of the exercise, programming question number 16. Alright, now one more program for the practice I am giving you here. That is the last question for today. For the practice, this program is not given in the exercise. Question number 17. Question is, a shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 10,000. Listen the question. See the question. A shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 10,000. If the rate of tax under GST, you know what is GST? If the rate of tax of GST is 10% of the price, then write a program to calculate and displace the tax. What will be the GST tax and the amount paid by the customer. So price of the article is 10,000, GST tax is 10%, and what will be amount to be paid? So amount to be paid will be the price of the article plus 10% GST. Okay, so public class GST, int price equal to 10,000, double GST equal to price into 10 by 100, we got the 10% of the price, double amount equal to price plus GST, amount equal to what? Price plus GST. So this is the amount to be paid, including the GST tax. So understand this topic. Now print the GST equal to GST and print system out println amount to be paid equal to AMT. So question was, take an article of rupees 10,000, find the GST tax 10% and what will be amount to be paid. Amount to be paid will be price of the article plus 10% of GST. So that is added in amount and printed here. Okay, so let us see the program. GST, public class GST, price 10,000, GST equal to price into 10 by 100, amount equal to price plus GST, print GST, press amount to be paid. Compile the program, right click, void main, OK. Now see, output came. This is the program. Price was 10,000. So GST tax is 1,000 rupees and amount to be paid including GST tax is 11,000. The 10,000 was the price, 1,000 rupees came as a tax, the 10 plus 1, 11,000, the amount to be paid. This is the output of this program. So today we have finished this chapter. We discussed today 3 programming question. Write and practice these programs in your copy. Thank you.